About 2 years ago, when we mixed up a whole new batch of Performance Series colors, we made about 20 of them. Some of them made the cut and went to production, and some of them didn't. The ones that didn't, we thought we had discarded all of them, until Gabe found this little guy. He was cleaning out a shelf and found this gallon with a formula number on it that him and I both recognized. Now, when we made a bunch of those colors that didn't make the cut, one of them we always kind of felt like should have gone to production. This is it. It doesn't have a name, but it's a badass color. We're gonna show it to you today. And then you guys are gonna tell us if it's cool enough to bring it to market. How would you even describe this color? I mean, it's deep.
Like a plum?
Check this out. It's plumish. It's purplish. It's got a super high metallic effect. It does have a shift. I'm starting to remember this one.
That's awesome.
It's starting to come back. I don't know why we didn't run with this. There were so many colors moving around back then, and it was hard to keep track of all of them. We can't, it's just like an artist making an album. Not every song is gonna make it. I know that's a ridiculous comparison, but it's true. Not every color we mix up and concoct is gonna go to production. So let me show you what this is. Check this out. Look at this. I don't know if you guys, it has an awesome shifting property. Okay, I'm excited. Whatever this is going down on a full-size car for the first time ever. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and I'll be honest, I don't know what we were thinking. I cannot believe that this gallon didn't make it to production. To get this amount of a shifting effect straight out of a gallon can is nuts. We sealed it with one wet coat of Next Gen satin top coat just to get a little bit more sheen, a little bit more clarity, and I'm gonna ask you guys to do two things for me right now. I'm gonna take the car outside. I want you to leave a comment below. And one, do you think that this gallon color is worth bringing to market? And two, I need you to help me name it. Because Gabe and I are both trying to think of a name for this one, and we're gonna need your help. If you wanna dip your own car, your own wheels, your own emblems, click right up here. All of our do-it-yourself kits are in one spot for you. We had a ton of fun in this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.